Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Engineering Network. Today we will talk about how we can record our activities on screen and share it with everyone. So today video is very interesting, so keep watch it till the end. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please click on the subscribe button and also click on this small bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish a new video. And also please visit to my website for daily civil engineering update. You will get the link of my website at the description of this video. Okay, so screen recording enables the user to record all his activities he does on the screen and share it with everyone in a form of a video. For example, right now I am also recording my screen with the help of a screen recording software so that I can share this video with everyone. But do you know that this amazing feature is also available in PowerPoint? Well, the answer is yes. So let me quickly show it to you. Open your PowerPoint slide and click on Insert tab. In this tab you will find the last option is screen recording, so click there and a small window will appear. You can see that the background gets faded a little bit. So for screen recording, all you need to do is to select the area which you want to record. So just click and drag your mouse to select it. Now there are some options available in the window. You can choose whether you want to record your microphone along with the screen recording. Also there is an option whether you want to record the mouse pointer or not. Now just click on the record button and the recording gets started. Now everything which you do over the screen get recorded. When you are done with it, just click Window Shift and Q key to stop the recording and the recording will get inserted in your slide. So from here you can share your recording through your PowerPoint slide. Also, if you want to save it as a separate video file, just right click on the recording and select Save Media As, and this will save your video file which you can use later anywhere in the future. So this was how you can quickly record your screen through PowerPoint. I hope that you would like this video. If yes, then please click on the like button. If you have any question, leave it in the comment box, share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel and also click on this small bell icon so that you will get notified when I publish a new video. And also visit to my website for daily civil engineering updates. So until then, it's a goodbye. See you in next lesson.